Hi faves, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a makeup look and I did this look around 3 a.m. midnight and it came out this nice. I have a very small ring light and I'm just so impressed, and I'm going to share with you step by step how I got this look. So if you're interested, keep watching. So my name is Elizabeth. If it's your first time, you are welcome, and please subscribe to the channel to be part of the family. So first, I'm going to be using my foundation. I've used my face primer already. You already know, before you do your makeup, moisturize your face real good, then apply your primer, face primer, to keep your makeup in place before applying your foundation. And after blending out my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer in the shade Kutan, and this is the Elegant Pro concealer. I'm just going to conceal those places I have darkness, and I'm going to wait a few minutes before blending it out. And a trick about using concealer is use concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than your original skin tone. So I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Always use a damp beauty blender when blending out your makeup. So I'm just going to do that till it is well blended. So after that, I'm going to use my contour shade in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to contour the areas that I want shadows on, which are my forehead, my cheekbone, my nose, and just areas I want shadows. So I'm going to do this to contour my face, to give it shape. So next, I'm going to apply my setting spray all over. Then I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes, and I'm going to apply my setting powder under my eye, my forehead, and those areas I want to be lighter than the rest of my face, and just to set my face and bake at the same time. So I'm using this shade that it is a shade lighter than my skin, and after that I'm still going to go ahead with another shade, so keep watching. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby, just saying I'm flexible. I do what it can to get you up, make you fucking with my makeup on. Either like I need an apron on, either till I need to change my tone. You can do it to your favorite song, take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. And I'm going to use my contour palette to contour my face, and before applying to my face, I like applying it to my palm so I can control the amount I'm applying to my face. And I'm just going to use this to bronze out my face to give a shape, and I'm going to use this on my forehead, just those areas I cream contoured earlier. So I'm just going to use this on it to make it look more defined. Wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a choking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing. You got a lot of time. Baby, can go to bed. Cause I know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come to make my under eye brighter, I'm going to go ahead and apply this lighter concealer, and this is way much lighter than my skin tone. And to control the amount I'm applying on my face, I'm just going to apply it on my palm first before I apply it on my face. You can see the way my face look brighter and I look awake. This is a trick to a brighter looking under eye. After using your original concealer in your skin tone or a shade lighter or so, however you want it, you can use this one to brighten your under eye, and this is what will give your face that glow you really want. And when applying this shade that is way much lighter than your skin tone, please be careful so that you won't be looking too ashy and too white.
Sorry if I gave a random erection, probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Proof pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one night. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like?
So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and I'm just going to use powder to powder my brows before I go in with my brow gel and draw whatever shape I want. So you're supposed to use a spoolie for this, but at this moment I couldn't find my spoolie, so I decided to use my tail comb. And I'm going to go ahead and use my brow gel, and I'm going to draw the shape I want. I actually used to go in hair-like strokes at the beginning of my brows, and at the end I just fill them in because I like when my brows look like filled in. I don't really like the hair stroke all the way down. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, I like it at the beginning of my eyebrows, and at the end I like when it is filled in like just normal one. That's just my own preference. It depends on you. So I'm just going to draw this. Whatever shape is giving me, it is good because I'm going to be using my concealer to define the shape I want.
I don't got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasize. We got a lot of time. Baby, can go to bed. Cause you know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know.
So I did all that off camera, already defined my eyebrows already. So I'm just going to use this concealer and brighten my eyelid so that my eyeshadow will pop on it. And this is just a very good way to make your eyeshadow pop without using too much. So I'm going to blend it out before applying my eyeshadow on it. And I'm going to go ahead and define my eyebrow again. This is the secret to a real well-defined eyebrow. When you do it once and you are not satisfied, you can go over again, but don't always go on with too much concealer. Don't always go in with too much concealer. Always put it at the back of your palm before applying it wherever you want to apply. This is going to help you to control the amount of concealer you want to apply or the amount of products you want to apply on your face. So I'm just going to define my brows again, and for the upper eye I don't use my concealer. I do use my foundation to define my upper eyebrow because it is closer to my skin tone and I just don't want that place to be looking white. So I use my foundation to define my upper eyebrow. My eyeshadow did take a lot of time, so I did most of my eyeshadow off camera because I was even confused about the colors we used, but I said let's do pink, and I did pink from lightest to the darkest, and I am just going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. The trick I use is I have this dry pencil and I just dip it in my eyeliner and I draw whatever shape I want on my face. So this is just what I'm going to do. I don't usually draw out wing, but this time around I'm going to be doing a wing shape. Let's just see how it goes, but so far so good. I am loving this. I just wanted to do a video short, but along the line I applied concealer, I applied foundation, and and everything was just working for my good. Like, it was just coming together, and I said, okay, let's do a full makeup look. And I'm just surprised that I did this around 2 a.m 3 a.m, and I'm just so impressed, and I love this so much. It's time for eyelashes and done. So I applied my eyelashes of camera, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face like blush. So I use that to color on my palm before applying it to my face, and I just so much love the outcome of the blush. It is not too pink and it is not too red. It is just perfect for our dark skin, so I like it so much. So I'm just going to do that to the other side of my face also. What's your size? That's objectified. Daddy don't go no girls. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10. We could go to 5. I don't play with my pen. Aiming what I write, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what it can to get you up. Make me fucking with my makeup on. Eat it like I need an apron on. Either till I need to change my tone. We can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a chucking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I need to know. I just be fantasizing. And for the lips, let's do ombre bright summer color. So I'm going to be applying a brown lipstick first to cover out my lips. Then I'm going to be applying a red. Then I'll be applying a pink, and that is just going to give me a perfect rose pink color. So just watch and you will see. And because why not, let's just do bright colors on the lips. So just keep watching.
We got a lot of time. Daddy can go to bed. Can you ride the slide? Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try? Yeah, most likely. Trying to see if you can handle the sass. Probably give us sex a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Proof pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Please let me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it. Give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like?
Yeah, I'm going to use a lip brush to blend out the pink. So it's just going to give that perfect ombre pink that I am looking for, and I like this. I like its mate. So I want more pink. I added more on my lower lips because I like when my lower lips is more brighter than my upper lips, and yeah, blend. The key to makeup in general is blending. So well blended face, well blended eyeshadow, well blended lips equal to a perfect looking makeup. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and just continue to adjust my lips.
I don't got the tights. I do want fuck all night, yeah.
Face down, and yeah, apply setting spray, and here we are. I applied lip gloss on my lips, and I am loving this look. It looks so beautiful. It looks so stunning. It's giving that summer vibe, and the face glow is just perfect. I love the way my under eye is, and I like the way my eyeshadow is not looking off. It is just looking good, just like I want. And I like my brows. It is not looking too dark, neither too light. It is just like my natural eyebrow. And of course, the skin is skinning. So this is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you're able to learn one or two things from this look. And I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next.
Oh, oh.